human being, people do not know how they are kept in ignorance and because we are part and parcel of Krishna, out of his causeless mercy, he comes to deliver us from this ignorance. Unfortunately, they are so much engrossed by the illusory energy, they do not take advantage of the instruction of Krishna. So, therefore, this Krishna consciousness movement is being propagated, that this dull-headed mudha, they have been described as mudha, dull-headed. They do not know actual interest of life. Nati vidu sarthagatim Vishnu. These dull-headed, conditioned soul, they do not know their real self-interest, being influenced by Maya. Maya is also Krishna's energy, so it is her duty to punish the conditioned soul because they have decided to forget Krishna. Still, Krishna is so merciful. He comes personally. He authorizes his devotee servant to enlighten these conditioned souls. So our Krishna consciousness movement is an humble attempt to raise the standard of this conditioned soul to Krishna consciousness. Those who are engaged in this business, they should personally behave as devotees, and by their example they should teach others and elevate them from this gross ignorance of materialistic life. Thank you very much.
Gita by your books, by the dioramas, and by the dancing.
So what was your opinion, Srila Prabhupada?
That is nice.
We also have a performance to show you of Satish Chandra Ghosh's play. Satish Chandra Ghosh. Remember that play that we received in Mayapur that Nitai translated Lust and Envy? You gave it to Madhavisa, myself, and Siddharma, and you were saying, just think how to perform this.
Satish Chandra
Ghosh.
Satish Chandra, Girish Chandra.
Girish Chandra.
Girish
Chandra.
Girish Chandra Ghosh.
Yeah. So they've prepared one of his dramas also. We wanted to show you on Friday. Actually, we can show you Wednesday now. We'll only be leaving Thursday. Wednesday night.
It is incomplete. It is only the first two scenes, and the rest of the drama is 4 acts of Chaitanya Lila. So we are waiting anxiously for the rest of the drama to come. Presently, it is incomplete.
So, how will you show the income?
In Mayapur, we were interested to see the scene of the enemies: anger, lust, greed, envy. So we've worked on it.
Kali.
Yes, Kali. So as the scenes come, we are planning to work on them in that succession.
So you have already what?
Yes, on the first two scenes.
They have made a very accurate portrayal of the material world. Actually, the guests who come on Sundays, they very much appreciate these performances. I've seen myself sometimes at the end of the performance, they will give a very big ovation of applause. For even 1-2 minutes in a row, they continue to applaud. They very much appreciate it. People are fond of seeing things enacted in theater and dance.
Generally attended by Indians?
No, all the guests come. No, actually, this kind of performance will be more appreciated. Even, the ordinary American people will very much appreciate.
Do they come?
Oh yeah. Usually, at least half or more of our attendance on a Sunday is from the Americans.
And here in New York is very much a theatrical city, entertainment, Broadway. And this theater we are here in our temple is situated in off-Broadway. Our theater downstairs is as high a standard in its interior as any other off-Broadway theater house.
There's two classes, Broadway and off, two different classifications. Broadway is very costly, big production, very elaborate, and off-Broadway is more simple, but good plays there. So this particular temple is located in an off-Broadway location. Actually, it's very prestigious. Advertise and people will attend. They'll definitely attend, and they'll even pay for the performances. We don't feel that we should charge yet until the calendar is first class, and until they have some full program. Because right now, just like this play only took about 30 minutes. Unless they...
Altogether?
Yes. Unless they have something that is at least 2 hours, 1.5, 2 hours. People will definitely pay.
Pay or not pay doesn't matter. They should understand.
Did you feel that the message of the Gita came through?
Yes.
Precedence of our work, Srila Prabhupada, should definitely be that the message of Krishna is all. Is that correct?
Along with it, if you, the same thing, more demand, if you put some movies,
Slides.
Yes.
slide or movie, that will still more interest.
Mixed media. That is also very much appealing to the public also. Our future work on the advent of Lord Krishna for Janmashtami, which is about an hour to an hour and a half. And then we were planning to work on the Ramayana, or agreeable by your divine grace.
The principle is this, that people should understand that clearly this morning the shop and also. So at the present moment, living in the way that is asat. But there is another life. So this Krishna consciousness movement is an educational movement to raise the person on to the under illusion. It is called amak. What is called amak? They have gone amak.
Yes.
They have gone amak. So it is an humble attempt to that this suicidal policy that practically they do not know what is the value of life and how they are spoiling this value of life. Bahirattama, Durasayad, the Bahirattama, trying to adjust things by the arrangement of that is not possible. What thinking? So many big leaders, politicians, they came. Napoleon, by the way of some material nature, everything. Driven. And that way there is no possibility of adjustment. It is not. How many Chaturana is Brahma, Ananda. But there is no permanent life. They should come to this hot platform, that is perfect. The more you more it will be impressive. It will act. Actually, not spiritual life, but theatrical performance, then it will not happen.
In your book you say that when there's acted by pure devotion,
so do your best, try your best. Thank you.
all glories to the Prabhupada.
Yeah.
Jaya Prabhupada.